In this video, I'll guide you through how to recover your Protonmail password and secure your account using Proton's two-password mode. We'll go step by step through the settings so you know exactly where to click and what each option means. And by the end, you'll have a stronger, updated login password in place. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. Make sure you're on the official Protonmail website and then log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're signed in, look up to the top right corner of the page. You should see a small gear icon there, which is the shortcut to your settings. Click on that gear icon in the top right. This will open a quick settings panel. From here, you want to access the full list of options, not just the basic ones. So look for the option labeled All Settings and click on it. That will take you to the main settings dashboard for your Protonmail account. On the left-hand side of this settings page, you'll see different sections for things like appearance, filters, and account options. Find the section called Account and Password and click on it. This is where Protonmail lets you manage your login details and additional security features. Within the account and password area, you're going to look for an option called two-password mode. This feature separates your login into two parts, one password for signing in and another for decrypting your mailbox. Enabling this can help when you want to reset or recover your main login password while still keeping your encrypted data secure. Go ahead and enable two-password mode by clicking the toggle or button next to it. When you turn on two-password mode, Protonmail will first ask you to confirm your current password. This is a security step to make sure it's really you making the change. In the field that appears, carefully enter your existing password. Take your time and double-check for typos, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. Once your current password is typed in correctly, click the Authenticate button. Protonmail will verify the password, and if it's correct, it will move you to the next screen. Now you'll see fields to set up a new login password. You'll typically have two boxes, one labeled New Login Password and another labeled Confirm Login Password. In the first box, enter the new password you want to use when you sign in. Aim for something long and unique with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using information that's easy to guess, like simple words or personal dates. In the Confirm Login Password box, type the exact same password again. This second field is there to catch any typing mistakes, so be sure both entries match perfectly. If you use a password manager, this is a good moment to save or update the entry so you don't lose track of it later. Once both password fields are filled out and you're confident they match, click the Save button. Protonmail will store your new login password and apply the changes to your account. From this point on, you'll use the password you just created as your login password when accessing Protonmail. That's it. You've gone to protonmail.com, opened the settings with the gear icon, navigated to all settings, selected account and password, enabled two-password mode, authenticated with your current password, entered your new login password twice, and saved your changes. Your Protonmail account is now updated and more secure.